Now we will learn vowel O. 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 The phonetic symbol of O is this one. O. O. Do. O. O. If instead of alif we put another letter, then the sound of O is attached to that letter. Let's see some examples. This is dal pesh. Instead of alif pesh, alif pesh vav is O. Alif pesh vav is O. O. If instead of alif we put another letter, then sound of O is attached to that letter. Let's see some examples. Here, alif pesh vav is O. O. And dal pesh vav is do. 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 Do means two. Do means two. Do means two. This O sound, you have seen phonetic symbol of this sound O, and this sound is like double O in English word do. Do. O. O. Do. So if instead of alif we put dal, then dal pesh vav is do. Do. Do means two. Do means two. And dal pesh vav is do, and sin te do, dost. Dal pesh vav and sin te is dost. Dal pesh vav is do, and dal pesh vav sin te is dost. Dost. Dal vav sin te dost. Dost. Dost means friend. Dost means friend. And now try to read this word. This word has 4 letters: Gaf, Vav, Sheen, Te. Gaf pesh vav is go, and Sheen te gosht. Gaf pesh vav go, and Sheen te gosht. 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 Gosht means meat. Meat. Gosht means meat. And now try to read this word. It has 5 letters: Fe, Re, Vav, He, Te. Fe is over Fa, Re pesh vav Ro, and He, Te. Fe is over Fa, Re pesh vav Ro, and He, Te. Farocht. 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 Fe, Re, Vav, He, Te. Farocht. Farocht means sale. Sale. Farocht means sale. Farocht.